The arena fall. Turn the pool here. Hey guys. Welcome in. Happy Sunday. Take off the Greg. Wagwan. Craig, I'll be arena fall. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wagwan, sir. I saw me feel like we reach. I think we reach. Jesus Christ. Hey guys, welcome in. Where are we heading today? Okay, so Craig, everyone, big up on yourself. Welcome in. It's all about our live stream Sundays. So I'll be here in a fall. So we're actually kind of inside today. We are gonna try this donut shop. That's the name of it. Nobody asked me to pronounce the name. Nobody asked me to pronounce the name. Uno can read. Uno can read. Tasha! Big up yourself. Welcome in. Jay, what going? Yes. So me always want to try the Korean corndog. I saw Korean corndog. When you see the cheese at church way, yes man. I want to try that. And yeah, so we are gonna go in and we are gonna see. Big up yourself. Boom blast. Wow, God. Would you eat here? The pool already up. Okay, let's go. Jesus Christ, murder. Wow, this nice here. Jeez, guys, wanna act normal, please. Please, act normal. Nobody with it. Oh my God. Watch nice music. Wow. Act normal, guys. Chocolate pebbles, strawberry cheesecake, pistachio. These are all donuts, by the way. Chocolate funnel, cookie and cream, strawberry funnel. Which one we forget? Caramel choco. Wow. I see menu, yeah. See the menu. What you say? All right, so them have the corndog, guys. Half and half, original mozzarella. Oh no, look, no, I see it good. Them have blue takis, murder. Me no want takis. Me can't manage the spiciness. Me and that and a friend. Them have donut and a look bad. I would love it. No, okay, we're not gonna do that right now. I want some no, Tasha. Yeah, them man. And them have, all right, so what we want, donut or we want corn dog? Donut or corn dog? Type it in the comments. Which one? Majority, it me I go get. And then we are gonna decide which lemon tea or which tea we are gonna get. Oh, guys, the place look good. Look at the setting right here. It come like say me the Korea. Look at me. Murder. It come like me the Korea. Donut. Alright. Donut. Alright, everybody has said donut. I saw no donut though. Corndog with cats. Lord of mercy. Uno is no LP, man. Uno is no help. All right, I always want to try the potato half and half corn dog. Yes, that's the reason why I'm here. Thank you, Sherry James. Thank you so much. I've been a fan of your content for months. May I count every single wrinkle on your skin? Hey, mama. Big up yourself. I don't really like sweets. I'll probably get one of those pink donuts. Okay, donut. Andre, say hi, dear. Hi, Andre. Where's this place? All right, this place is at Lakeland. Okay, I think I do the. You see, uno talk about, look, me can get donut anyway. Uno have to go down. Uno have to go down. All right, so we are going to get the donut. Come here, taste it in our murder. We are going to taste it. We are going to do a mukbang. So, all right, we are going to do the original potato half and half corn dog, yes. And then, oh my God, them have beignet. Jesus Christ. Them have beignet, guys. I love that, you know. All right, yeah, we'll get the beignet. And we're going to get because the beignet, me get 4. And then we're going to get the half and half potato corn dog, yes. And then for the tea, them have strawberry lemonade, lemon, grapefruit peach. Which one? Florida, beignet, me. Right? Yes, beignet. See, you can't go wrong with beignet. Speaking of beignet, guys, we do have our new series Rum Earth dropping this Wednesday. And it is funny because take me back to New Orleans. Yes, the essence of New Orleans. Oh, that's where our guest chef is from, and she will be preparing something special for you guys. You don't want to miss it. I'm gonna drop that episode this Wednesday, so if you haven't as yet, feel free to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, make sure me see in the comments, else me I go angle or no. All right, so that's what we're gonna have. We decide watching. Big up yourself. Watching from Brandon, St. Andrews, Jamaica. Big up yourself, Patrick. Okay, so the poll vote is there to guys if you would hit here. So, all right, I wait pandemic now. We next. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for thumbsing up the live. Lemon sparkling tea. I would like an espresso latte with almond milk. Andre, why are you so fancy? Why are you so fancy though? You fancy bad. Say come like the one time when I bring the headphone, I need it. Can you imagine? Jesus Christ, my shame. One time I really not bringing me need it, you know. So I feel how weird. It's okay though, we'll make it work. Order 73. All right, we're gonna order now, guys. So we're gonna do the potato half and half, and we're gonna do the beignet. And for drinks, we are gonna do the strawberry lemonade. Hello. Hi. Can I have the potato half and half, and the beignet? What? You don't have any more? Oh my God. Jesus Christ. It doesn't work. Do you sell Like single donuts?
Yes.
Okay, I'll have one.
Okay. One.
God. I'll do the one with the chocolate pebbles. Yep. Guys, they don't have no more. Me hurt. The vending machine not work. Oh my God, my heart a bleed. My heart a bleed. Them have to go down. And a strawberry lemonade tea.
Strawberry muffin.
Pardon?
Strawberry muffin.
Sure.
So 1860.
Guys, I know I'll be. Thank you. All right, guys. Let's get a table. Let's get a table and go and wait. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, I feel away. I feel away. I should have to go flipping around. I thought someone see me face over here, not sure. Jesus Christ, I figured then I probably sound far, but the earphone, I left the earphone. I'll be rain a fall. So guys, do remember we do have our series this Wednesday. Oh, not hear me good? I left my earbuds by mistake. I can't believe. I never planned for this. I tell you the truth. Taxi Wagwan. Big up yourself. Okay guys, so I always want to try the Korean corndog. So let me tell you what we have. We get the potato half and half. We get, thank you Taxi 66. Alright, so this nice, see? Me like the look of packaging and everything. Look there. So, I feel like probably you want to stir up a little bit. You feel like you want to stir up. Big up yourself too. Having rain on your end. Flavor. Fresh air. Big up yourself. Rain. Oh God, taxi. I'll be rain a fall. So that's why we have to the out your son. Tiffan. Never remember. You was on like, yeah, you have to subscribe Tiffan. What you mean? Big up yourself. Welcome in. It's so bad. Where are you from? We're from Jamaica. I feel like my mom. Well, you see if you're gonna eat like the sweet things then I don't think me need all of that. So the donut when me get is, what did I say? Single mocha donut. It not taste bad. It not taste bad. I like it. I like it. It not taste bad. It's very fluffy and soft. And I don't know if you don't know like cornflakes. They come like a cornflakes, but what do you call the cornflakes then again? A chocolate cornflakes. It's nice. It's not bad. I like it. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Yes. Yes. And now like come like say everything what them put in a the donut a fee enhance the flavor of this. Cause this not really annotating it very fresh, but the more you eat like the sweetness or things this it work, it blend out. No new friends, wagwan. Welcome in guys. Guys, if you are new, remember to hit the subscribe button. We have our new series dropping on Wednesday. You don't want to miss it. It's called Rum Earth. It is a cooking series. And we will be having our first guest is from New Orleans. And man, she did a big one. So I'm excited to show that with you guys. It already strapped already and everything. So we just have finish up like the fine-tune editing now to drop that. So it's gonna be good. Right, no new friends, it is growing so fast. It's growing so fast. I don't know how it grows so fast. And you know, say nobody over here no say nothing about my ear, them have to go down. Nobody no say nothing about my ear. You alone come over here and say something about my ear now, new friends. Big up yourself. Here. Food ready. It reach. Okay, so we got the half and half. Wagwan Chelsea, big up yourself. We're at the donut shop and we're gonna try like Korean, what did I say? PS3, desserts, all of the above. Big up yourself from Italy. Where's everyone from? Ooh, okay. There it is. Guys! Look here! Oh my god, screenshot, hold on. Screenshot. Because what? JJ from South Korea? I have to get a screenshot of this. Wow. And the fried chicken, taxi then have it. Okay, make a try it. This is the half and half. It is a Korean corn dog. I always want to try it. God Almighty, the ear. I always want to try it because of the cheese pull. You see when you bite this and pull it, a beer cheese. All right, let's go. So, guys, I don't think my mouth big enough. I don't think my mouth big enough. fire. Wait till it cool off. Murder. You have to wait till it's cool off. Genesis, wagwan. Alright, so as you can see, these are chopped potatoes, potato cube, all around it. Get screenshot, yes. And it look like granulated sugar. I don't know if you can see good. Granulated sugar, potato cube. Yes, it's. But it's too hot when you bite it, side bite it. Okay. Yes, yes. And that would come like the fries, them pop it up. I want to get a good bite. So far, it tastes good, but I want to dive in it good. Hold on. Here we go. We're gonna risk it all. God is good. God is good all the time. Dana. Guys, them put them foot, them back, them head side everywhere in it. Everywhere in it. God no. Food for nice, but no, so me never ready. Cause what? Guys, if you never tried, please. Please. I'm having a time. Alright, you see this? When me just taste it, me feel like me just taste the top part with the water. But so I push it straight down in there and stir it up. And when I drink it, I taste it look pulpy. And it have like some strawberry in it. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Wow. Texie said, if you were to choose a soup to go along with it, which one would you choose? I would choose French onion soup. But I just want like the broth of the soup. I don't know if that makes sense. Like I don't want the bread. That makes sense? Red room. Big up yourself, wagwan. God is good. twist up my ends, my hair ends more, and put it back. And that's why I have it at enough to hold it in a place. Not do a good job at all. Not do a good job. KP, big up. Yeah. Jamaicans say when food sweet your kin not and want it nice, guys. You see that cheese pull? Ooh. Hit. We got yourself a la Me not smoke it, me not smoke. Wow. Then do it. I'm eating onanasi. I'm eating a Korean corn dog. So good. I'm in a Richie Potter sachets it. Guys, look. I'm showing Richie Potter the sausage. True. You have to flush your system. Oh God, Siri. Yes. I eat me and work my way too. It is so good. You can choose the type of filling you desire. Well, yes. You can also choose the type of the outer part you desire to. Them have hot Cheetos, ramen, all of that. Water for me. You have to go low. So much people vote. Guys, let me ask them something. What is the name of the cooking series that will be dropping this Wednesday? What is the name of it? Anybody can guess and tell me the name of it? Let me see if I now listen. Let me see if I now pay attention. What is the name of it? That's good. What restaurant is that? This is Mochi. You know what? You now go do this to me. See the name of it down there, so. And that me tell you say, you need it. Let me bite this stick. Oh, sorry. You not pay attention. Justin! Big back. You know next week, I don't know. The name of it is called Rum Earth. Rum Earth. That's the name of the series that will be starting this Wednesday, guys. I don't say hold on a foodie, hold on a big back. Hold on love on the belly. So this series will be having different chefs from all over the world, and they're gonna come in and they're gonna cook. Yeah, man, they're gonna cook So feel free to follow it. I'll be posting everything like about all of it over there. It's nice and you see almost done. Look here. Almost done. Oh yeah, sorry. My bad. Anytime when I post anything about food or anything, use that page and tag me so I'm gonna repost it. Thank you. Yes, everybody go over Instagram. Type in no, they don't have a Facebook page, no new friends. It's the Instagram. I want to see everybody over there and follow that page. You understand? Okay, hi. I will be dropping sneak peeks, previews, all of that stuff. Thank you, DJ. What's the name? The name of it is Rum Earth. It will grow on you. On Instagram. Everybody follow that page on Instagram. Have anyone else we can tag? No, tag up everybody. Tag up everybody, yeah, man. Tag everybody. K, Wagwan K, big up your Siri. Oh, that's fine, Siri. Make sure say when we drop, Siri, make sure you turn on your post notification bell. You hear me I tell you? Because you tell me say only WhatsApp and YouTube I have, make sure me see you first comment on the Rum Earth video when you post. When the video they post, me need to see your comment and I want all of the comment under the video. Yeah. Yeah, because I go Anglo now. You love like watch the video too much and you don't like the video and comment make me so no. You don't have to go down. David, thank you, Dave. Jamaica. Only friends, I'm not going to be on that page. I'm not going. All right, big up yourself, no new friends. I appreciate you. Happy birthday to Lindsay. Happy birthday, Lindsay. Big up yourself, Lindsay. With that black. All right, guys, we finally read. See there? Would you consider making a WA channel 2 for Rum Earth? What kind of channel? What is a WA? What that mean? Yes, true. What is WA? A WhatsApp. Hey, you see, if Rum Earth, if we get the support from you guys, you know, because I think we're going to give it a try. We're all the way in it. If it will get the support and it do well, I'm sure we'll create a lot of different opportunities and a lot of different way of communication, you know. So we'll see what happens based on how it perform, and then, you know, we might consider other options. Yeah. Big up yourself, Texie. Big up Tasha, Eric, Jaden, Wagwan. Yeah, let's go. Well, reach out to you for a promo. Yes, we're also open to collaboration. So if you guys want to have to go down. So, you know, if you guys want to do that too, we have our email rumearth@gmail.com. rumearth@gmail.com, so you guys can reach out to us, you know, just in case. I found it. Ooh, that is a Dexy. Big up yourself. You want some rice and peas with curry goat? We could have eat some of that right now. Rum Earth Kitchen. What's up? No good. All right. That is it. Rum Earth Kitchen on Instagram. Follow me, guys. I'm gonna follow back everyone. Everybody who follow the page, may I follow them back. Yeah. So this series is dropping this Wednesday. Turn on their post notification bell. It's gonna be a bang every week. New series dropping on YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. Ooh. 15 followers already? Oh no, Gwan. Thank you. Me I tell about all on when me done. All on no. Oh, you know, after post, big up yourself. I will look out for IG lives too. Bearded. Texi Osayawan. Hi, I am Ava. Yes, guys, so it's gonna be great. We already have somebody from, let me say, New Orleans. That's our first guest. We have Puerto Rico, Dominica, Republic. A whole heap of different people from all over the world. It's gonna be great. Be happy about it. Don't know say well we have food, so we love food and we love learn about different culture. We love the vibe, we love the energy. We're not just stay in a one little circle, one little box. We expand. Yes, man. How's my day going? It's going good, day. Greetings from Germany. Ooh, I've never had anybody on here from Germany watching before. Right now, new friends, we don't have nobody from Germany. We're travel, man. We're traveling. Thank you, guys. Ooh, yeah, this is the donut. Guys, we have so much votes, so nobody, 36 likes. Last week we broke the like record with 62. 62. Gary, loving your channel. You have a whole bag of space to fill up. Thank you. Thank you, Gary. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Big up yourself, Gary. Germany. Never had anyone from Germany in here. And no new friends, you would know. Because you're there from the start. We're not just we all 120 people over here. You're from Turkey? Big up yourself from Turkey. Jamaican in the house. Bap. Big up Evan. What are you eating? Okay, so this is the single Mochi donut. It's so good. So good. Love it. Okay. Texi, I never asked, but do you have a particular policy when it comes to doing food reviews? Do the food creators abide by certain guidelines to qualify for a review? Okay, so for me, when I do food reviews, I just go to random places. It's not like they reach out to me to come and give their restaurant a highlight, or a shout out or to review. So I'm the one who choose where I want to go, but I am open if people want to DM me, like, suggest or email me and say I can, go to their place. So, and I also don't mind doing it on my own, because sometimes I don't, sometimes when people book you to give them review, it's like because they pay for the review, you can be honest and open. If you no food taste bad, me I go clot you know. You have to go down. Cause me I go tell you, say, boy, this stuff, this dry. And if your food tastes good, me I go big you up and tell you, say, yo, this is a 10. It win. Completely. Tacos and burritos are my favorite. Oh, I prefer burritos over tacos. Don't come for me. I prefer burritos over tacos. So guys, if anybody interested like the collaboration, feel free. Anybody interested in like collaboration or anything like that, you can DM the Rum Earth page or you can email us at rumearth@gmail.com. Yeah, big up yourself, you know. Phoenix, that's a cool name. Period, right? That's what Pixie. So true. Tell the truth even if they get, yeah. Big up yourself. Know your friends. I appreciate you. Thank you for there. Know your friends. Me not lie. I'm on my day one. They are rock with me when me only have 5 people over here. Ben Love, Wagwan. First I catch you live. Big up yourself. Only one Sosa. Welcome in. True. Big up on yourself, guys. What am I eating? I was eating a lot of stuff. Now I'm eating the donut, but I already ate corn dog. Where you at? We are at the name right below right here. So would you eat here? That name, that's where we're at. Well, now gonna make me share myself. Yeah. The food images you post kills me because I wish I had a table spread of each one right then and there. Gary, you are one of them. When we say choose one, please. Please choose one. Everybody like can't choose one. Da. No, have to go down. Taxi, big up yourself. Snap, I'm eating donut too. Ooh, that is the only one so sad. Yeah, this one is in the United States. Check your subscription count. Yeah, subscription count up the man. The people, they have been supporting me, so I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Look my votes. No, guys, tell me something. How do I have 343 votes and I have 41 likes? Make that make sense. Yeah, you don't have to go down. You don't have to go down the true. Do you ever visit Lake Louis in a... No, me not like water like that, you know. Me not really like beer. Sir, wagwan, sir. Bird fruit, oh my God, long time. Ben, you got a new... Oh, thank you, Ben. Thank you so much. Welcome to the family. Appreciate you. Everybody start follow the Rum Earth. Everybody start follow the Rum Earth page on Instagram. It is our new page for our cooking series. Gonna drop this Wednesday. Yeah. If you don't start follow, we're gonna say me. Bomba cloud. Tasha, thank you. Guys, we get super. Thank you so much. What support? Screenshot me Martin. Me can buy one of that drinks. Me never drop down the terrace over here. Appreciate it. Me mama. Thank you. All right, once I say I have 2 subscription with you. When it's so 3. Thank you so. Gary, impossible to choose. For real. at least 2. Come on, it's the best food. That is true, Gary. But you know, not listen to me. You not listen to me. Thank you, texting. Hold on, I got McDonald's. Thank you, guys. Is the restaurant non-vegetarian? Well, I am not sure. No, I am not sure. You have 45 likes now. Thank you. Tasha, big up. Thank you so much. Hello, Dialio. Screenshot. Right, that's why I have a screenshot. Everything. Bucket list. That is it. Thank you, guys. BMBS. Hola. And I kind of wrap up now, so I'm soon gone. I finished my donut and then I left. But this was fun though. Be acquainted with me with the Korean cuisine. Oh my, so good, so good. You should watch this girl. She make good songs, yeah. So I'm not sure either, but I love food. All right, so this Wednesday, make sure I see your 2 account. Comment under. Make sure I see your 2 account. You understand? And if you see your 2 account, them comment under the video. Same thing. Big up yourself, Santi. Thank you for passing through. Appreciate it. Talk truth. Ay. Wow. I so much I don't know what I eat here, so for true. Okay. No, I'm going to say nothing, call it done. Period. That's it. Her name is Lani on YouTube. Okay. I'll check her out. Where's this restaurant? It's in Florida. But they have branches all over the world. So just type in the name and you will see it. But it's originally a Korean restaurant. Tami, every time you watch about my live videos then? No new friends, yo, I real MVP. Big up. Hola workshop, what's up? Also guys, if you ever miss a live video, I do post the replays, alright, so you can catch it from the beginning. All of them, all of the live when them will ever do, all of them have a live video replay playlist. Tami, guys, will be a hurricane. Want you and your family to be safe. Remember that it hurricane I come. I want it to reach here. No, me I tell you the truth. From I left Jamaica, I don't watch news, you know. I don't watch news and I don't watch weather. I don't know nothing where I go on. Why me just I live? Murder. We can't take it stress. I like Korean food. Big up yourself, Ramesh. Yes, I like Korean food. Me have to go stock up on some mackerel. Me have to go get 2 mackerel though. Wednesday, Thursday, Jaja bad. Jaja, you have to stop. Patience. Big up St. Lucie. Thank you. At the filter affecting the west side of Florida. Wow. Big up. Guys, my soon done, you know. I just left and I'm done. Now throw it, I go turn next. Is another barrel. Guys, when I'm done, I'm going to follow everyone back on Instagram. I promise I'm gonna follow you all back. Okay? So if you haven't following Rum Earth page, please do. I'm gonna follow each and every one back. I probably drop a little sneak peek on it. Probably drop a little sneak peek in the story so you can see it. No new friends. I said if you go get Instagram and I come in where you not have it. you know it's nice when you're making pigtail and put rum in it. Alright, me never know say you put rum in a pigtail. Me hear them say you can put rum in a curry goat and nine. That's why it's so nice. I eat fast. I finish too. Really? I come here talk that with your so limit. That would be good. Yeah, definitely. Follow back everybody, man. Yeah, and when we get big, me I go make it big. Do a broadcast. What do they call it? A broadcast group. You know they add that now. Yeah, you can make a broadcast group. So all I know, for me YouTube can be in the broadcast group. Yeah. Anytime I drop, we update. Okay, guys, we're going live this time. We're dropping this today. Any question? Sneak peek. Broadcast channel. That is it. See that taxi? Look at us. It's all coming together. No, so on the radio I got reach 4,000 votes. You know about 4,400 votes. I saw no love food. I saw no love in the belly. It's bad. Oh yeah, watch that video. It's coming together. I mean, my mouth run like a river. I say, look how that eat better than me. I feel that way, you know. I say, if a man did ever turn him back on me, so I take up on my food, you know. I feel like I take up on my food for truth. Make him ever turn him back. That the dog have to lift up. Oh, you have to follow me. Follow Rum Earth page. Follow Rum Earth page on Instagram. We're gonna try to get the channel up. The page up. Once it go up, you know, and we are qualified, I think you have to have a certain amount of followers, then you can do that. I don't know why, but yeah, that's that. Pick up yourself, Johnny. Where did you get the hat? This. Thank you, Ben. Where is the rum? Rum Earth. It is the name of a series, a new series we're gonna start on this channel. Wednesday we're gonna drop the first episode. It's all about keeping the culture alive, one meal at a time. Oh, Ben. Don't limit you, Ben. Murder. Government. Ben, you have to go down. What time? I think it's gonna be in the evening hours on Wednesday. So just turn on your post notification bell. Subscribe to this channel because it's gonna drop on it. Ben Simpson. All good. Big up yourself in a fruit ganja. Guys, I wrap up here now. Thank you. What's your 54 likes? What is your platform about? Okay, so Uganda. Big up Uganda. So My platform, what is it about? My YouTube channel, you know, it's mostly based around like Jamaican content, Jamaican vibe, Jamaican things. But based on where I'm at right now, here in the States, yes, here in the States, you know, I do showcase like different places where I go. We do have Sunday live every Sunday where I bring you to different like theme parks, restaurant, outside, any activities like here. So we are trying a new food place, and you know we just try things. And we do have a new series that we will be starting this Sunday called Rum Earth. It's going to be a cooking series where we have different chefs from all over the world. They're gonna come in and they will be showcasing a traditional meal from their home. Yes. So the first chef is from New Orleans, Louisiana, and she will be preparing, you know, and she will be preparing that some meal from New Orleans. So yeah. Come here, read the comments. So yeah, proud of the Jamaican diaspora and what you have contributed. Thank you, Gary. Yeah, so even though it started off like with Jamaica vibe, Jamaica culture, I do want to incorporate like different, not just Caribbean countries, but the island and just overall the world, you know? You can't really put yourself in a box because just doing this and even my first experience with the chef guests from New Orleans, we have so many things in common, certain things so similar. I'm like, wow, you would have never know. So trust me, I'm excited to share this first episode with you guys. It's gonna be really heartfelt, may I tell you. You're not gonna love it. Anthony, thank you guys. So if we get 7 more likes, we beat last week's record for likes. If we get 7 more likes, we beat last week's record for likes. And I think we're gonna make it. I think I'm gonna make it because I left for now. You had to combine Jamaican food with other country food. If you had to combine Jamaican food with other country food, what would that be? Ooh, thank you, Simonetta, big up yourself, welcome here. Oh, thank you, new friends. Okay, so right now, with just talking about here, with this Korean corn dog, I would make it like into a Korean Jamaican fusion corn dog. You understand? Thank you guys for the likes. So you know how like you would have, oh my god, sorry, me just have a moment a while ago. Me literally just have a moment a while ago. Me not gonna say it because that's something that's in the works, so I'm not going to say it. But it's just how you say that. So make me think about something else. Hold on. Ukraine. Jordan, big up yourself. What? So how much page you have? How much page you have? So you're full of page, you're very pagey, man. Chelsea, go on. Chelsea, you know, I'm trying, you know. We are working towards it. We're working towards it. We are trying to make it happen. Carlos, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Watching from Ben. What do you name of that flag? Them not really so flag bright, you know. Guys, I left, we are gonna left here now. I left, we are gonna left here now. People them probably glad to me left them place because me chat too much. Rice wagwan. Me chat too much. 67 likes. Big up yourself. Wagwan L. North Korea. Gary! You just surprised me. Thank you. Big up on yourself. Okay, guys, so this is where we're at. Vibe. I'm showing about this apart again. See? Nice. I just saw. Oh, big up yourself, ANL, Illusion God. Big up yourself. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. But I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for hanging out with me. I want to get a screenshot with the wall on in my background. So I can get your post it on story. Screenshot. Hold on, one more. Yes, see we there. Make it good. Everybody smile. Make me get. Why not smile when me take a picture? Smile. Make me take a picture. We don't know. Jesus Christ. Me want to post on up on a story. Oh no, I think. All right. I too smarty alone ready. Me mama. No, look good. That is it. All right. So we are smile. Yes. Yes. Big up on yourself, guys. Thank you all so much. I love alone. I hear. Have a blessed day. I see you. Me I go follow back everybody now. We follow me pan Rum Earth. Yes, I'm gonna follow each and every one on the back. Happy Sunday. Remember, new series this Wednesday, Rum Earth. You don't want to miss it. Thank you. Bye. You boy don't get in the photo. I have to go down.